Everything you want to survive has to leave before the chat does. Not from like a fire and hire and stuff, because I'm not at that point, but from the sense of like at wasting time of like doing all that. So what I did is that I built it a memory. It's 3 layers and they do different work. And that's what I'm here to talk about. So the chat. This is where the work happens. And if you've gotten the latest update, you notice on Claude, for example, you've noticed that they are going away from like chat being one thing and co-work being another thing. Like now you're going to be able to like do the co-work chat stuff across different computers. Because that was an issue, right? It was like sometimes I would have a co-work situation going on my laptop, but at the moment I'm letting it do its thing, but I'm working on my phone or I'm working on my desktop and I can't pull the co-work thing. I used to not be able to, so they're fixing that, and which makes a little bit more sense. But the chat itself, that's where the work happens, right? And that's where it dies. And don't forget that, because it's not a flaw, it's a container, and it has a certain size. Everything you want to survive has to leave before the chat does. So remember that. Everything that you want to survive has to leave before the chat does. So that was the first layer.